Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Michael Mann with Affiliate Rookie, where we show you great ideas and great tools to grow your online business or even to start one. Today we're actually going to show you how to use two tools to build a WordPress local website. Pretty much setting it up so you can build it out. So if you like this video and you like content like this video, please subscribe to our channel. So let's jump right into it, okay? Okay, so the two free tools we're going to use to set up your local website is Local and Blocksy, okay? Local is for installing the platform so you can actually build out your website, and Blocksy is a theme. They're both free, so we're going to show you how to download both of them and install them. Okay, so we're on the page of Local, so we're going to go to the download folder here, and what it's going to do is going to give you option of downloading into MacBook, Windows, or Linux. Okay, we're going to choose MacBook because that's what I have. So we'll just fill out the information. And once you submit the information, it's automatically going to download the file that you need to install on your computer. Okay? While waiting for that to finish download, we're going to go to Blocksy's website. And basically, this is where you download the files that you need for the free theme. So just hit download. And it's going to take you to WordPress website. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to install Local. So that's going to take a second, so we'll jump back into that when we finish downloading that, and we'll go to the second stage, okay? Okay, so once you finish downloading the local software, it's going to look like this. Okay, so over here, if you had more than one website you work on locally, it would be here, but it should be nothing here, okay? So we're going to hit the big green button here first. Okay, so this is where you give the site a name. I suggest that you use the site name for whatever you're going to use as your domain name, if you purchase one or you're going to purchase one, okay? Because it's easier to just move it over. When you move it live, it's easy to move it over, okay? So then after you give it a name, you hit continue. And you want to make sure this one's clicked over here because you want to install everything for you. You don't have to do custom. You want everything installed automatically for you. So once that's clicked, you hit continue. So now you got to set up a user's name. And you got to set up a password. Okay? Then you got to set up an email. Now, I suggest that you use the email that you use all the time, so when there's updates to the WordPress or to the theme, you will get emails on this, okay? Or any plugins as well. So always try to use something that you always go into every single day so you can see when there's updates, so you can go in and do the updates manually yourself, okay? Once you have finished filling out all this information, you will hit add. Now it's going to start thinking. It's going to start getting some information together. Now with MacBook, you have to give it permission to install files. So it's going to ask me to log in with my password. I don't know about Word, but I know that MacBook requires you to have permission to put anything on their computers. Okay. Now it's installing the WordPress locally onto your computer. Give it a second. Okay, so you can see that here it says local. That means it's been installed locally on your computer. So all the files for this website will be on your computer. Okay, so you can actually take a quick look at it. There's nothing really here. This is a basic, WordPress website. Okay, so now we're going to go in and we're going to log into the administrator. This is why you needed to have a password. Okay. Okay, so this is the back end of WordPress. I don't know if you've seen it before. We'll go a quick glance at it. So this is where you do all your blog posts or any kind of post that you want to do. This is where you store your media files like videos and photos. This is where you would create your pages, which we're going to go, like if you're doing your home or about, but we're going to go around that real quick. I'll show you a different way we're doing this, as well as you can check on comments that people have. And there's other things like you can add users, you can add plugins, and you can do other kinds of settings, okay? So Now what we're going to do is we're going to install the Bloxy theme that we installed. So what we're going to do is go to Appearance, and then we're going to go to Themes. You'll see other themes in here. Don't worry about those right now. So then you're going to hit Add New. And then you're going to do Upload Theme. And then you're going to choose File. So go to wherever you installed the Bloxy and downloaded it. And just FYI, when you download Bloxy, this in zip, leave it zipped. Do not open it up. You do not have to open it up. Just leave it zipped, okay? So now you just hit Install. Okay, so it says it's been installed successfully, and it said you want to see a live version preview of it, but we're just going to basically activate it, okay? So here is your theme, and you'll have other ones. So I like to do is I like to clean up some of these other themes that are on here because it's taking up space. When you go to move over your website to go live, you want to have less data as possible so your website runs a little faster. So we'll just clean it up real quick. So now all you have is the Bloxy theme. So now what you're going to do is you're going to hit Install up here, Components. And it's going to ask you, do you want to give it permissions to do the updates and diagnostics? You do want to do that because when it's doing updates, it'll do it automatically for you. Okay? So accept that. Okay, so it's going to bring you to this screen here, which is the back end of Bloxy. Okay, so you have your extensions, you have your users plugins, you have your change log. What we want is starter kit or starter site. So this is where you choose your website theme. So they don't give you a lot, but you know, all these you can change to whatever you want. So you can start out with basically a template and then go from there. So we're going to choose, we'll choose this one. So what you can do is choose what you want, and you can actually preview them too. See? So we're going to import this one. So you're going to hit import. So now it's going to say it's going to install a child theme. A child theme is what your website is. And then you have the theme. So when they do updates to the theme, it will do the update to your child theme, but it's not going to change anything. Because sometimes when they do updates, it changes your theme. So a lot of people will create child themes. So remember that when you're building a website, always create a child themes, and there are plugins to do that. But this platform does it automatically. And FYI, do not delete the other theme because you have a child theme. You need both of them, okay? That's FYI. So next thing we need to do is we're going to go next. And then it's going to tell you which platform you want to use to, what builder you want to use it on. We're going to use Gutenberg, okay? Which is a good one. And hit next. Now it's going to say it needs to install these plugins required, okay? And then it also has import content. So these are the contents that is required as well. So you hit install. And now it's going to install the plugins, the theme, the content, and all that stuff. So that's going to take a little bit. I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. But what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video and we're going to let this install, and we'll go to the next stage, which is stage 3. Okay, so it's installed the plugins, installed the content, and installed the theme. So you're all good to go. So let's take a peek at the website. Voila! Look how pretty that looks. Created such a really good website. And you can go in and change any of this content to fit your needs, which is really simple. And you can do it locally on your computer. And then when you get ready to make it live, you can just move it over to live, which I will be showing you in my next video on how to bring it from local to live. So stay tuned for that video. So again, this is a really simple, easy way to build your website locally. And it's got, like I said, these tools are free. You don't have to pay for them. You just basically download them, just like I showed you in the video, and you can just actually build your website locally. So let me know in the comments on how it worked out for you. Was there any issue? Was there any bugs for you? Anything you want to throw in the comments, I'll be gladly to hear from you. Again, this is Michael Mail with Affiliate Rookie. Thank you for watching my video. And if you like this video and you want to see more video and content like this, please subscribe to our channel. Again, thank you, and you have a great day. Bye.